That time of year to give my backyard putting green its much needed acupuncture.
To get it to look like this.
Now last spring I just used this Corona aerator that I got from Lowe's, but this year I have a huge upgrade. Now if you've never heard of aeration, it's kind of exactly what it sounds like. You're just trying to get air into the soil. So the way we use this tool is we stab it in it. Now on either side of this tool there are hollow tines that allow the soil that's in that place to come out. Like so. Now these holes are a great way to get air, water, and nutrients into the soil. There's just one problem. They're pretty darn big. Now for a regular lawn like this, that's not that big of a deal. But I don't want a bunch of finger-sized holes on my putting green. It also poops out these aeration plugs that you'll have to go back and pick up. Bam! This is my upgrade and my solution to all those problems. So this is a hand aerifier made by Standard Golf, who's a lead supplier of golf courses all across America. They've started to make a lot more products that are DIY friendly, kind of like my backyard golf hole kit. Instead of 2 big holes, this punches 9 small ones. It also collects the plugs for you so you can just go to a bucket and pour them out. The result is way more small plugs that don't disrupt the green. Not to mention it's a darn good workout. And now we're ready to top dress.
This bent grass does spread, but I decided to throw some seed down. I came up with a new top dress concoction this year to try to combat the clay soil. I mixed 2 parts sand with 1 part Miracle Grow soil amendment. I'll probably just go back to regular compost in the future, but I'm kind of excited to see how this turns out. And using this compost spreader was definitely the move. I used my leveling rake to spread it into all the aeration holes, then turned on the water because like waves on a beach, sand self-levels when wet.
In less than 2 weeks, it now looks like this.